first sound is in a short and relaxed sound. Open your mouth a little and say ah. Examples are son, cup, and love. Repeat with us. Son, cup, love. Now, let's practice the central sound is the most common understand sound in English. It sounds soft and quick. Examples are banana, soft, and a boat. Listen careful. Banana, sofa, a boat. Remember, both sounds are relaxed but usually appears in understand syllables.
To pronunciation the R sound correctly, round your lips and curse the tips of your tongue black. Keep your lips and together relax. Example, never, doctor, sugar.
The sound can be hard to reproduce for many people, and it is often mispronounced. This vowel is long, so hold the sound a little longer to pronounce. Open your mouth moderately, round your lips slightly, and keep your tongue low and pull back in your mouth. Let's try saying it. Uh, and you can hear it in words like all, broad, and cold.
Use the oo sound. Open your mouth slightly. Round your lips into a circle and make them tense. Tense your tongue. Rise the back very high up and pull it toward your throat. For example, cool, rude, and chew. Use the oo sound. Open your mouth slightly. Round your lips slightly and keep them relaxed. Relax your tongue. Rise the back high up and pull it towards your throat. We have worked, for example, hook, bullet, and shoot.
What is O sound? The O sound is a diphthong in English. A diphthong is a sound that moves from one vowel sound to another. Well, but how to pronounce O? First, start with an O sound. Second, slowly glide to a soft U sound. And finally, round your lips at the end. Your mouth starts more open and ends more closed. Well, here I have some examples like open, open, phone, snow.